still in my mind. The truth is so hard to find. With all the things that's going on, I lost track, I felt so strong. I got you on my mind, but something's been done wrong. Sometimes I've been thinking of what to make of me and my memories. Sometimes I've been thinking of, dreaming of what it could have been besides memories. 'Cause I
Tuone baby. Carl. Sky. Sky. Sasa unafanya nini hiyo? Kula basi. Kula. Kula. Good boy. Hey guys, karibuni sana. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to yet another video. In today's vlog guys, we are just going to be doing cleaning and I'm planning to wash this mat from down here. It has been months and you know we've been on a drought season and you can imagine the vumbi tulikuwa nayo here and there. So at least now we have a rain and that's why I want to wash our mat. So first thing, I just want to remove it from down here and I'll also be doing some refresh to this living room because once I remove this mat I'll have to clean it as well. And so guys, you can see clearly nimeanza video nikaonyesha how my boy amechukua unga. He actually took some maize flour from where it's supposed to be, akakuja akamwaga kwa kiti. Alikuwa hadi na sufuria. I don't know what he's trying to do. I'm not sure if it's a stage or he's just being naughty. Just let me know in the comment section if your boys, the mothers in the house actually, if your babies behave like this, because wangu siku hizi anaweza chukua and like he feels like he can do anything na saizi ameanza climb kwa vitu, like it's getting too dangerous for him. Just let me know in the comment section how you are dealing with such kind of situations and I would really appreciate that guys. So kindly subscribe to this channel if you are new here, and my name is Muhir Ann and in this channel we do homemaking videos, we clean, cook and also do a bit of lifestyle videos. In case you're new here, kindly subscribe, like, share and also do leave a comment for me. It really helps the channel to grow and I would really appreciate that guys. We are almost 1k subscribers, just 100 more to go. Keep subscribing and let's get there as soon as possible guys. So let's keep watching this video until the end and I hope you enjoy.
Cause I still
So guys, I know we've all seen it. Sisi wote tumeona hiyo cockroach ikipanda hapo kwa ukuta, and I've always been telling you in this channel that I have a lot of cockroaches in the house. I wanted to fumigate, but one of my friends discouraged me at if you will fumigate and your neighbors hasn't fumigated yet, the cockroaches will not actually go away, so they will definitely come back to your house. So I'm thinking how to approach the neighbors to let them actually fumigate with me, because most of them are not even talking to me, like they are always sad, and I'm actually trying to think a way of approaching them so that we can at least fumigate to one or two of my neighbors, because they are close. Two of my neighbors are so close. So if we fumigate both of us, I think at least it will make some sense. But if I will fumigate alone, they will definitely come back. So let me know in the comment section what you think.
They say that love is blind, but I never trusted sight. When I turn and look inside, there's nothing I can't find. In the silence of the night, when my demons come alive, I hear a voice disguised, telling me we're not alright. See no evil lies now. Hear no, see no, you're always on my mind. On my mind. You're always on my mind. On my mind. One taste, you can't get enough. One kiss, you feel my love. One taste, you can't get enough. One touch, you feel my love. One taste, you can't get enough. One kiss, you feel my love. One taste, you can't get enough. One touch, you feel my love. They say that love is blind, but I never trusted sight. When I turn and look inside, there's nothing I can't find. In the silence of the night, when my demons come alive, I hear a voice disguised, telling me we're not alright. You're always on my mind. On my mind. You're always on my mind. On my mind. One taste, you can't get enough. One kiss, you feel my love. One taste, you can't get enough. One touch, you feel my love. One taste, you can't get enough. One kiss, you feel my love. One taste, you can't get enough. One touch, you feel my love.
So guys, for today I actually haven't used any specific or special cleaning products. They are just the same ones I always use. I haven't yet gone to the market to buy more of the cleaning products. So yeah, and for the TV I'm using wipes to wipe first, and then I'll go in with a dry towel to make sure the wetness is out of the screen. Yes guys, and before I continue, I want to give a shout out to one of my friends. She's also my sister, and she has a YouTube channel. It's called Live and Living the Omars. She does homemaking videos. She also does some good, really good content. You can go and check her out. I'll just leave her channel link to my description box, and I'll be writing her name to on the screen so that you can go and subscribe, guys. She's road to 300 subscribers if I'm not wrong. Kindly show kindly go and show her some love. And just like that, guys, I'm done with this living room, and this is how we gonna stay for today. We won't be having our mat with us, and have been thinking of going to buy some I've been thinking to go and buy some new curtains, but in a time do sina, but I'll definitely go and have some. So this is how we are gonna survive for today without our carpet, and it's raining, guys, so it's a little bit cold, but I'm sure we will adapt. So let's go upstairs, let's go on the rooftop and wash our carpet there.
She's a itty bitty spider with a itty bitty letter and a straight jacket round her waist. When she gets a bite, you better run, you better hide, better pray that you're not worth the chase. Yeah, she might be pretty, but I promise it gets scary when she wants your daddy and she finds out where you live. Creeping in the shadows, eating poisoned apples. She's nothing like you ever seen. Her mood goes up and round, and ain't no telling what she might do next. Cause she's a itty bitty spider with a itty bitty letter, and she might just come for you. Should always sleep with one eye open. You better keep in mind to always look over your shoulder. Cause when you think you're safe, just stay awake. She's moving closer. Cause she's an itty bitty spider with an itty bitty letter, and she might just come for you. She's a snake crawling, creeping on the floor. If you give her time of day, baby, that's your first mistake. She will swallow you whole, for you know in your control by a sweetheart criminal. Never thought that she's a itty bitty spider with an itty bitty letter. You should always sleep with one eye open.
So for the mat, I'm also not using too much cleaning product. I'm only going to be using some water mixed with sunlight powder, and I'll go in with some Astonish carpet cleaner later, not now, just later when I'm almost done. But for now, I'm just going to be working with sunlight powder and also some water to make sure it's clean, guys. And let me tell you, it was so dirty, and my boy will always pour here some yogurt, some tea, everything. Just name them, guys. Anything you can think that will have to spoil the math. That is my boy. So it actually took us some quite some few minutes to make sure it's clean, but at last we did our best. Yes, guys. So, for my new subscribers, karibuni sana. Welcome to my channel, guys, and please put the notification bell on in case of a new video. You'll be amongst those people who get the notification. And to my premium gang, thank you so much, guys, for always being here for me. And to my returning subscribers, you guys, you're the best. I thank you so much for always finding my content worth of your time. Yes, guys, so let's keep watching until the end of this video. And if you've watched up to this moment, kindly give this video a thumbs up, and just like that you will have helped me really much to grow, guys. So let's do this.
You better keep in mind to always look over your shoulder. Cause when you think you're safe, just stay awake. She's moving closer. Yeah, she's a itty bitty spider with a itty bitty letter, and she might just come for. I will come for you.
And you guys, thank God my sister was around, because I couldn't do this alone. This was too much work for one person, and you can see how much work we've done. It has become so clean, guys, and we are now going to go in with this special lotus flower carpet cleaner. It's going to give this mat some very nice smell, guys. It smells so sweet, and I would just sprinkle or spray on this mat, and then we just come in with some water to make sure it's well absorbed.
Crowded places, feel it sinking in. Lonely faces, say you need a friend. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. Getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home. But I will guide you home.
So now we are done cleaning, guys, and hanging it to dry was another headache. It was another headache because it was so heavy. Lifting it up there was some kind of it needed some extra energy, but my sister was there as well, so she had to help me lift it. And you can see she's a little bit taller than myself, so it was a bit easier for her than for me. Yes, that's what I'll say. And yeah, guys, so we are actually done, and now we are just hanging it to dry. Yes, and then I go back to the house to see what else I can be doing for you guys.
Fight your battles, always by yourself. In the shadows, hear you cry for help. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. I know. Getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. But I will guide you home.
So this was much later in the evening, and I wanted to cook some supper. And on this day we were taking some eggs with managu. I don't know if you do that compo in your homes, but on this day I just felt like doing that compo, and I just want to prepare supper, guys. So give me some company as we do this, and we're going to be starting with cooking some mayai, and then we finish with ugali, guys. So let's do this, and please subscribe.
They say that love is blind, but I never trusted sight. When I turn and look inside, there's nothing I can't find. In the silence of the night, when my demons come alive.
And so, guys, just a quick question or a quick inquiry from you. For those people who have actually used some non-stick spherias and also some silicone spoons, I have seen some. Okay, I won't say it's a good thing, but because I've seen some negativity around about them, just let me know in the comment section if you've experienced the same problem with non-stick spherias and as well the silicone spoons, because I've heard that they are not long term things I actually want to buy, guys. Right now I have money and I'm so confused of which sphere to buy. Should I go with non-stick or should I go with just this mabati of mine? Because literally I don't even know what to buy. Have you ever found yourself when you have money is when you don't know what to buy, but when you don't have money is when you are thinking of buying a lot of things that don't even um favor your pocket. Yeah, so just let me know in the comment section, because I don't want to buy something and then I feel like I have actually made a mistake. Yeah, guys, so this is how I make my mayai. I fry first and then I put some ingredients in, and I've seen as well some people will just cook some ingredients and then add in some their eggs. And now we are finishing with putting in some coriander, and then we will call it a deal done, guys.
They say that love is blind, but I never trusted sight. When I turn and look inside, there's nothing I can.
For our managu, I'm using some Roco cubes, tomatoes, and also I'll be adding a little bit of curry powder, and that will be it, guys. I don't have coconut cream in the house, so that will be it.
Find in the silence of the night, when my demons come alive, I hear a voice disguised telling me we're not alright. You're always on my mind, on my mind. You're always on my mind, on my mind. One taste, you can't get enough. One kiss, you feel like my love. One taste,
I normally do some homemade mala, guys. The last time I did this mala, most of you were like, ano umeharibu maziwa nini nini. This is the sweetest mala in town, guys. If you haven't tried it, kindly look for me or look for your neighbor Kisses. They will actually show you how to do this milk. Yes, guys. So, and now I'm done. I just want to prepare some ugali and we will be done with today's video, guys.
can't get enough. One touch, you feel like my love. One taste, you can't get enough. One kiss, you feel like my love. One taste, you can't get enough.
And just like that, guys, we are done cooking, and you can see our milk looks so yummy. We really enjoyed, guys. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I really appreciate your support. Kindly don't forget to leave a comment for me. Let me know what you think about today's video and let me know what you want me to shoot for you next. I have so many requests for you guys, and for that video I'm going to take some time to make it for you. It's about online work. I'll take some time and I just make it for you guys. So thank you so much for watching up to this point, and let me see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye, and I love you. May God bless you. Bye.